out that symbol. Over.
Had 3 H2s and a
Alright, that's correct.
lead pack up there.
That's Fisher.
Main track number 2, eastbound. We're about milepost 73.8. Just got a stacked intermodal train so far. This will definitely be our last one of the day. Hopefully we can get it in. Memory's running low, pretty low here. Got some pretty good trains today. Coal train, empty, but got it. Got a Department of Transportation passenger car. Some freight trains and a couple intermodals. Try to link them up together. A few of them. Try to keep my videos a little bit longer than they have been. Get the view time up a little bit. Getting a lot of views. Some of my videos are just a little bit too short, I think. You guys put up your valuable time and sit down and get a 2.5 minute video. It's not fair. It's all JBs so far. I see some other ones coming. Could get a double combo here. Seems like half my catches are doubles. Not hard to get them out here.
28 on 314 straight round.
Hope you like what you see. Please subscribe to the channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Share with your friends. Help us out on Patreon if you can. You'll find the link in any description.
That they're going over to the museum track. I don't know exactly where that is over at the metro station. I think Donnie's working on 32 though.
Okay, I'll wait on 32 for him to call me.
I want to scan. He might be on 72 as well.
Okay, I'm waiting for him, so he knows where I am.
Alright, thank you.
Interesting. They're waiting for something to go to the museum track. I wonder if that was the old Department of Transportation car we saw. It's just speculation. It did look like a classic. I got to get over to the museum. We're going to do a video over there with Silence 7 pretty soon. He's going to show me the ropes. All right, rail phone, so Cajon Pass. I gave you all the good old information, so We love you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time.
Ride share app, want the email or you want?
Let's be genuine and kind and take care of each
You
other.
want ordered?
Love you guys. Take care.